Okay, hello, I'm Mr. Yosef. Welcome to another episode of Yosef Teaches. Today we're going to be solving rational equations, and we're going to have a good time. So the first thing that you do when you solve a rational equation is you look at your denominator. Our goal is to make all the denominators the same. If you make them all the same, it'll be a really easy way to solve your problem. But you can't do that until you factor x squared minus x. And the way you do that is you take out what they both have in common, which is x. So you're going to have x minus 1. So you see that we have an x here, we have an x here, but this one doesn't have an x. So whatever I put there, I'm going to use a different color, and I'm just going to put a x. I'm going to multiply this by x. This one needs an x minus 1, so I'm going to go ahead and give this an x minus 1 and an x minus 1. So the cool thing now is we're going to clear the denominator, which seems like it's a trick, but really what we're doing is we're multiplying both sides by x times x minus 1, so that's why you're able to do that. And so now, since all the denominators are the same, I'm just going to write what I have on top. Okay? So once you're here, all you have to do is pretty much simplify what you have. And with this negative 3, I'm going to distribute. And you end up with negative 3x plus 3 equals x. So most of the times you have two options. Is it linear or quadratic? Are you going to factor, or are you going to have like terms on the same side? You just take a look and you see that there is no x squares. So this is back to pre-algebra, just getting x's on one side and getting the numbers on the other. So I'm going to combine these and then do 5 plus 3. And now it would be to your advantage to move the negative 2x to the other side. So I'm going to add 2x. And 8 equals 3x. And then the last step is just to divide by 3. And we get 8 over 3. So you're almost finished. The only thing you have to do is you need to check if your solution is extraneous solution. So you go up here and you ask yourself, what numbers are x not allowed to be? Well, I can't have x be 0 because that's going to make it 0. So I'm going to write x cannot equal 0. And also, x cannot be 1 because that will also make your denominator 0. And that's pretty much it. Your solution is still solid because it's not one of the extraneous solutions. Thank you.